Guys, it's Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly approves, regularly used. Right here, come on, ready Rams, my newest built Bludacris. Guys, this is a 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie Sport Gears package, so it does have the chrome. I wrapped this truck in a full blue chrome color. I don't remember the whole actual name of the color, but anyways, you have to see it in person because the cameras don't do it justice. Has tons of metallic flake. So it's got the projector style headlights with the LEDs, fog lights down below with parking sensors. So the 6.7 high outputs, we do have cab lights, which I did put white ones on just to complement the chrome. 24 by 12 inch moto metal wheels and some 35 inch Venoms, 3-inch lift, rough country flares that are wrapped to match. We have custom trigger kickback flaps with the chrome plates. We have parking sensors. We have a full level 1 plus package. So we have Alpine auxiliary switches, parking sensors, as I mentioned, and heated and cooled seats with a power sunroof. Mega cab, of course. Seats fold down that we all know and love. Full surround sound. Coming out of the rear, 6.5 foot box. We have an MBRP chrome exhaust tip 2 to accent the chrome. Take a look at that. Chrome all over. We got class 5 pitch receiver, spray and bed liner. Bed utility group with a lighting package. Rear slider window, high mount camera, 14 wide triggers. Got the trigger color matched decal. Full digital dash, 12-inch display, funds options inside too. Now, also, just to show off what we can do here at Redwater Dodge and Rig Ready Rams, we did have a full Bluetooth RGB style rock light kit installed on this, 8 pieces in total. Or 2, 4, 6, 8. So guys, that is all included in this truck, guys. So for more information or to build your own Rig Ready Ram, give us a call, 780-942-3629.